Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide. Today in this video, let's learn about how to use ChatGPT to write a book. So let's get started. At first, let's get into this. Any browser and search for chat.openai.com. And after this, we get into this interface. Make sure you are logged into it. Now in message ChatGPT option, we need to enter the detailed information about what type of book we want to be written. Book you want to be written. And once you are done with all of the information, simply click on send message over here. So here we can see only a short summary of each chapter of the book is written. What we can do is copy this part and paste it in the message over here. And write it and ask ChatGPT to make it longer. And similarly, you can do the same thing with other chapters as well, and you can compile each of the chapters and make an entire book. You can get into details with each and every paragraphs as well. So that is all we can do. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.